Hello and welcome. You are listening to Daily Easy English. This lesson is slow and simple. It is made for beginners. Here is a small tip. Imagine the place while you listen. Pictures in your mind help learning. Let's begin. Today, I want to talk about shopping for groceries. I plan my shopping before I leave home. I think about what I need. I take a bag with me. I like to be prepared. I walk to the store. The store is bright and clean. Inside, I see many shelves. There are fruits and vegetables. I look at apples and bananas. They look fresh. I choose some bread and milk. I check the prices calmly. I do not hurry. I take my time. I read simple labels. I make careful choices. At the checkout, I wait in line. People stand quietly. I pay and say thank you. Then I leave the store. Shopping for groceries helps me feel organized. I feel ready for the next days. Now I will say some sentences. This is a great way to practice and learn. Please repeat after me. I go shopping. I go shopping. I buy food. I buy food. They look fresh. They look fresh. I choose some bread and milk. I choose some bread and milk. I wait in line. I wait in line. I leave the store. I leave the store. Good job. Keep practicing every day. Thank you for listening. This is Daily Easy English. See you in the next lesson.